Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our beloved lecturer, Sabi bin Jaafar. So for today, we are going to present our assignment project that has been given by you. So first and foremost, I would like to introduce our group members consist of me, DAIM IKRAM, DANISH, ILHAN RAEES and AMIR FIRDAUS. So for the assignment, we have been given the topic of elasticity. And without further ado, I'm going to answer the question 1, which is the question sound like this. Identify two reasons the demand for gas is so inelastic. So for the first reason, the demand for gas is so inelastic is because there are few substitute goods. As you already know, the alternative for gasoline is very few, such as electricity. For now, it's only electricity only, right? So gasoline is pretty much commonly used for transportation. So there are few alternatives for gasoline, which means that consumers have limited option when it comes to fuel. That's for the first reason why the demand for gas is so inelastic. For the second reason, gasoline is the necessity to many things. For example, gas is used for transportation, heating and power generation, and is considered necessity for many people. That is the reason why the demand for gas is so inelastic.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir FIRDAUS bin Zahani from DIA2D, and today I will explain to you our answer in question number 2 and number 3. As you can see on question number 2, the reason demand for gas will be more elastic because gas and electricity are substitute good, which is as more electric car available, consumer will have more option, which is they can switch from gasoline powered vehicle to electric car. Besides, if we look at the graph, we can a change in price of substitute good affect demand for the product at the same direction with the price change. For question number 3, the answer is relatively inelastic. It's because there are some studies found that a 10% increase in the price of an electric car would decrease demand by 2.5%.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad RAEES. Now I'm going to answer question number 4. The question asks to identify one good you believe will likely have a positive cross-price elasticity with cars. What does this imply about the relationship between these two goods? Okay, the answer. One good I believe will likely have a positive cross-price elasticity with cars is motorcycle. So as we know, if the car gets more expensive, people will switch to motorcycle. So to conclude, when the price of cars increase, the quantity of motorcycle will also increase.
Assalamualaikum, my name is EDLI Danish bin Azri. So today I will talk about question 5. So this is the question 5. So for the calculation for question 5, the formula is change in quantity divided with change in price. So for the quantity formula, the new quantity minus the old quantity divided with the old quantity and then times with 100%. For the price formula, the new price minus the old price and then divided with the old price and then times with 100. So for false, we get 3.556. For revenue false, we get 2,059,039,000. For the rise, we get 3.36. So for revenue rise, we get 16 million. So to advise ABC firm, both are elastic because value is more than 1. The fall price will be charged because the price is lower and it can get a lot of revenue compared to rise price. So for question 6, The question asks, calculate the income elasticity of demand coefficient for gasoline and identify if it's a normal good or an inferior good. So the calculation for question 6 is change in quantity demand divided with change in incomes. So we get 20% divided with 10% and we get 2. To answer the question, if it's a normal good or an inferior good, it is a normal good as it has a positive income elasticity of demand which is more than 0. This means the demand for a normal good will increase as the customer's income increases. Thank you.
Thank you to Sir Sabri for guiding us in completing this assignment. The results from our group. Thank you.